is gonna die. Starting this video is not in a right way, but welcome back to my channel. Before my battery actually dies, I'm gonna quickly charge. And yeah, as you guys already read by the title, today is gonna be a glow up for Diwali. I've never seen anyone done this before, so I am gonna make it. I know I have makeup on, I technically look pretty, but what are those? This, hello focus. Obviously my battery decided to die in between of me talking, but yeah, it's currently charging. But like, what is this? I really have no nails in these 3 fingers. And let me show you guys my eyebrow. Like, it's gonna be super fun. Today I'm gonna go and do my nails and do my brows. Let's go. Okay, battery is charged. Let's go. I'm gonna quickly wear my shoes, belly flats, because I'm just a girl and my feet hurts. Okay guys, the only way for me to put my camera in the car like this is while it's being singing like this, okay? I have no choice, but I am 8 minutes late. I hate it, but it's okay. I have 20 minutes to charge my phone, which is about to die. Everything is about to die when I'm leaving the house. It's always happening like that. And my camera is so gonna fall. Just so you know, if my camera falls, that's gonna be the transition to the next video. Told y'all will be here. I'm gonna get a cute shot of me applying lipstick, because that's what influencers do. I hate it because there's people at the back. I seriously don't know how it turned out, but let's go, because it's getting super hot. I think it's just too sunny for that place. Shit. All done. Okay, I choose this. This is a hint on what my Diwali color is gonna be. And now is for my paddy. And I even did my eyebrows. Look at it. Amazing. Thank you so much. Love it. Now I'm just gonna have my lunch, which is called carbonara and a matcha latte. And I'm gonna binge Netflix. Best place to get. I'll put their link down below if you guys ever want to come and check them out. It's Italian spa and they have way more services. Check them out. I am gonna just have my late lunch and then my lunch. I am obsessed with my nail, and trust me guys, Latel has the best nail tag. And if you guys ever want to pamper yourself, bring your besties, bring your girls and have a pamper sesh here, because they do lots of things, eyebrows, waxing, and a lot. But now let's go home. Hey guys, so today is another mission on this glow up, which is shopping, because I need some new clothes for Diwali and we are heading to an event right now. I will be going to Pavilion Bukit Bintang to do some shopping. So come along. This is gonna be exciting. I love shopping. Let's go. I'm wearing shoes today because there is no way. Why am I positioned like this? Shoes today because there's no way I am gonna walk around Pavilion with heels. Yeah, I totally forgot to take my vitamins. And I have a question. Do you guys take your vitamin one shot? Like if you have 4 vitamins, do you guys straight eat 4 one time and drink? Or do you guys take like me one by one? Because I can't put all 4 pills, because one of my pill literally this big. That is big for me, okay? Let's go. So after the event, I decided to hang out in a restaurant after having my lunch together with my friend. I'm 40 now and I'm gonna go into the mall, which means I only have like 2 hours plus for me to do my whole shopping, which is kind of fun because I love shopping in a rush because I don't think much and I buy everything. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that, but I'm only gonna pick up few stuff that I want. I need to go to the toilet. Let's go. First store is Spout because we gotta pick up few stuff. Bring it wrong if your fitting room doesn't look like this. Okay, I'm gonna try a few outfits and show you guys. Please in the comment section say which one is nice, even though I'm gonna take it before you guys choose, but just let me know. First, face. I love face, but I wish the top was a bit bigger. I want it to be baggy. Yeah. Adorable. Just look at that. But if I lose this, it looks cuter. But I still need to, if I get this, I still need to stitch this part because it's hella loose. Where do I think I'm going? I'm not even going to the UK. Why? But it's so cute. So far the only one that I like. How is this even possible? I literally took that much of clothes to only like this basic outfit. I literally gave up. I'm gonna try to go into men's section. It's focus point because I want to get some contact lenses. They don't have it here. I love my contact lenses, so let's go somewhere else. Try carry and see if they have my contact lens. Don't have it here too, but I'm done with my shopping, so let's head home because the mall is gonna close. It's literally 9:24 and I don't want to leave when the mall is closing because I hate leaving when the mall is closing. So I'm gonna pick up my stuff from Spau just now and let's head home because I'm tired. Hey guys, I am in JB. Okay, so today not only a glow up for me but also for my car, so I'm gonna bring you guys along. I am gonna do some changes in my car. The number plate, which is still JPJ approved, but I hate the border, like the silver border in the number plate, so I'm gonna change that. And that's gonna be a small glow up for my car, and I'm gonna wash my car because let me show you guys how my car looks. Ew, what is wrong with my car? Let me show you guys the other side. It's way worse. Like, hey, I didn't even go anywhere that is sandy. It looks like I went to like, oh my god, it's so dirty. Like, can you guys see? Ew, there's leaves. Oh my god. It needs a major cleanup. Before going to the accessory shop, I am not gonna go alone because I am scared. I am still a little girl, so I'm gonna go with my mom. So let's go and see her because she's fixing her hair for Diwali. Let's go. She's gonna be over soon, so we'll just wait for her. While then, I'm gonna reply some emails. So adorable. Now we have to go. Now we are at Pang Auto. We're gonna do the number plates. Let me show you guys what I'm trying to say. You guys see the white border? Yeah, I don't want that white borders. Waiting till the car finish wash. So I'm binge watching Nadagam together with Amma. Because why not? And I'm looking like it. Oh, so clean. No more dirty anymore. So clean. This side the fish hair is going to be like this, right? So we're going to apply it this way.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Finished.